welcome back to the channel. It's just me, like, in this video, Nick is inside playing the video games. So as you know by today's title, I am doing a full clean of my car. It is disgusting. I haven't cleaned it in probably like a month, and or like 2 months, because we've been quarantined for a month and I didn't clean it for a month before then. So saying that, this is also like a little cleaning motivation to clean your car, because we're in quarantine and can't really do anything, so might as well just clean your car. We're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. Yeah, this is my car. Disgusting. This is just like really coupons. There's nothing really here, but there is some trash. Disgusting. This is absolutely nasty. These are from like the past like day, because we've been in the car a lot. And then we got napkins. Disgusting. We got drinks. My floorboard's nasty. Over there, that's just mail, so that just needs to be gone through. My phone case, because I had to take it off. That's from like yesterday, so don't worry about that. That was in my purse. That's right there. So yeah, disgusting. My seats are folded because we had the ferret cage in here. If you didn't know we got ferrets, go watch our last YouTube video. So I no longer need this. I will never park at Hampton High School again. That's sad. Maybe I'll keep it. So. This is the overview. Obviously, like, this stuff's coming in and that's coming in, but everything else is done, and I'll see you tomorrow. several days later, and I'm just now getting back around to washing my car. So we went to the store. I already had this little bucket, this 12-quart bucket. I already had that. So we went and got some wash and wax soap or whatever. I got this thing to get on top of my car because I'm short and my car is pretty tall. And I also got this little sponge. So, yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so thank you for watching today's video. Obviously, it took me like probably a week to do this because my motivation was really low after that first night. And then I got a little bit busy doing like inside chores. So, yes, if you're seeing this, this is a sign. Go clean your car. If you don't have a car, tell somebody to go clean their car. Okay? Can't have messy cars during quarantine. Sanitize, sanitize, sanitize. Make sure you wash your hands. And yeah, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you like it. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in another one.